Use properties of logarithms to write the expression as a sum or difference of logarithms. Assume that variables represent positive real numbers. The log base 5 of the square root of x divided by yz. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break this up using the quotient rule. The quotient rule would say that we could take the log base 5 at the top minus the log base 5 at the bottom. So we have the log base 5 of the square root of x minus the log base 5 of yz. Now we're going to break this down even further. I'm going to write the square root of x as x to the 1/2 power in preparation for what we have to do next, which is to use the power rule. Square root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/2 power. Minus, and I'll take the log base 5 of yz and write it as the log base 5 of y plus the log base 5 of z. So now we'll finish this up by using the power rule on this expression. The 1/2 can come down in front, 1/2 the log base 5 of x. And I'll distribute the minus sign. Minus log base 5 of y minus the log base 5 of z. So when we expand this expression using the sum and difference rules of for logarithms, we get 1/2 the log base 5 of x minus the log base 5 of y minus the log base 5 of z.